Hello, in this video we're gonna do a short unboxing of iPhone 16e. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside, what accessories do we get, and how the phone looks like. So let's get right into it. So if you don't know how to open the box, you need to take it by this side. You have these arrows and you need to rip it off like this from the bottom as well as from the top here. There we go. Now we can open our box. Here is our phone. Let's put this to the side. Let's take out the phone, and we're gonna start with the accessories first because, well, unfortunately there is not much in the box itself. So as you can see, we have the cable, which is an USB-C cable, I believe. There we go. And of course we also have the pin tool for ejecting the SIM tray. Besides that, we can find a bunch of papers inside over here. I'm not gonna actually unpack it, there is no reason for me to do so. But that's that, as you can see, that's all. This is all we get. Alright, so now that we have the box covered, that went pretty quickly. The next thing that I'm gonna show you is, of course, the phone itself. So let me try to close this box first. There we go. And let's move to the phone. So from the bottom over here, we can rip this thing off here. Feels nice. All right. And this is how the phone looks like. So at the back, we have one camera lens. This is the 48 megapixels camera. Of course, the flashlight is here as well. And here on this side, we have the side button. We have two volume buttons. I'm not sure if they are quite visible. Let me try to find a good lighting. There we go. So we have, of course, two volume buttons here and the action button as well. Here we have the SIM tray. And at the top, there is nothing really here. And at the bottom, we can find the charging port or the USB-C port. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!